In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find QuickBooks license number 2026. If you're using QuickBooks online, you may have heard people mention a license number. Technically, QuickBooks Online doesn't use a traditional license key like the desktop version. Instead, the key piece of information you'll want is called the company ID. This is the identifier support teams and billing often use when they ask for your license or account number, and it's the most direct way to reference your specific company file. Here's how to find it quickly and confidently. First, open QuickBooks and make sure you're on your company's home dashboard. If you manage more than one company, confirm you're in the correct one before moving on. It helps to use a modern, up-to-date browser so everything loads correctly and the menus look the way I describe. Now look to the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click that gear to open your account and company options. From there, select billing and subscription. This section is where your plan details live, like your current subscription status and billing information. If you don't see billing and subscription, you may not have the right permissions. In that case, an admin on the account will need to open this page for you or update your access. Once you're on the billing and subscription page, scroll down toward the bottom. You'll see a field labeled Company ID. That's the identifier you can use anytime someone requests your license or account number for QuickBooks Online. It's usually a series of numbers, sometimes separated by dashes, and it uniquely identifies your company in Intuit's systems. When someone asks for your QuickBooks license number for the online product, share this company ID. Don't confuse it with your subscription details, your billing profile, or your Intuit account email. Those are separate items. The company ID is the one that matters for this purpose. A quick tip before we wrap up: treat your company ID like any other sensitive account detail. Share it only with trusted parties, such as Intuit support or an authorized accountant, and avoid posting it publicly. If you ever switch companies within QuickBooks, repeat these steps to confirm you're pulling the ID for the correct file. That's all there is to it. Open QuickBooks, click the gear in the top right, choose billing and subscription, and look at the bottom for the company ID. That's your QuickBooks Online license number. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you find what you need fast.